Hello hustlers. Today we're diving into an exciting comparison between two futuristic transportation technologies. Joby Aviation's Uber Elevate, now called Elevate OS, and Tesla's Robo Taxi. Both are poised to revolutionize how we travel, but they take quite different approaches to achieve the goal. We'll break down the pros, the cons of each system, the pricing point, and we'll have a discussion on which we think is better. And make sure to stick around to the end, because there's another big automaker that has just muscled their way into the equation, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's dive first into Joby Aviation's Uber Elevate, or as it's now called, Elevate OS. Joby Aviation is a pioneer in aerial mobility and have took significant steps when acquiring Uber Elevate in late 2020. This acquisition aimed to blend Uber's on-demand mobility services with Joby's innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The vision to access all areas. Joby has been clear about its intentions to make air taxis economically viable and everyday transportation an option. With the advanced software tools developed by Uber Elevate, such as Elevate OS, Joby is gearing up 2025 commercial operations, promising a high-tempo, on-demand flight service that mirrors the convenience of groundbreaking ride-sharing. Joby aimed to initially price this trip at a range of a black cab in London or a yellow cab in New York, but significantly looked to reduce travel times, such as a 45-minute car journey being reduced to a mere 10 minutes. Switching gears, let's talk about Tesla's Robo Taxi, and we can have a quick look at how quick and big Elon expects it to be.
So, what's next? I'm not gonna spill all the beans right now. But what I can say is we're going to move to just truly massive scale, scale that no company has ever achieved in the history of humanity, that has to happen in order to transition the world to sustainable energy. So massive scale, full self-driving. There's going to be a dedicated Robo Taxi. That's going to look pretty.
So as we've seen, ROBOTAXI is a massive concept that stems from Elon Musk's vision of an autonomous electric vehicle fleet that could be summoned within an app. Unlike Joby's eVTOLs, Tesla's ROBOTAXI is a ground-based solution that aims to leverage Tesla's extensive experience in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology. Musk has discussed the potential for Tesla owners to add their vehicles to the ROBOTAXI network, effectively allowing them to earn money while they're not using their cars. This model not only aims to reduce transportation costs significantly, but also will provide a new income stream for Tesla owners. As this thing cuts out drivers for the likes of an Uber, we could see a significant reduction in fare prices for the consumer, which could play a big role if they roll out this RoboTaxi quicker than Joby's air taxi service. So let's bring both these services together and bash out some ideas, but first, smash that subscribe button. While both Joby's Uber Elevate and Tesla's RoboTaxi hinge on high-tech solutions to transform mobility, their approaches reflect their foundational differences. Joby focuses on aerial solutions to bypass the ground traffic entirely, whereas Tesla looks to optimize the use of personal cars for public transport through autonomy and electrification. Both systems emphasize sustainability and efficiency, but their deployment, operational logistics, and user interactions vary greatly. As we watch these technologies develop, the question remains, which will profoundly impact our daily commutes more? Joby's air taxi promises a swift scenic bypass over congested city roads, whereas Tesla's RoboTaxi offers a familiar car-based approach that could integrate more seamlessly into our current urban environments. Both are racing towards a future where travel is quicker, cleaner, and more convenient. And Toyota have entered the sector, betting heavy on Joby, so check out this video next.